In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use your Wise account to receive money effectively. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a fantastic tool for sending and receiving money internationally with ease and at great rates. It's quite user-friendly, and today we'll be focusing specifically on how you can use your Wise account to receive payments. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, once you've logged into your Wise account, you'll want to navigate over to the aptly named Payment section. This is your hub for everything related to incoming and outgoing transactions. Keep in mind that Wise is designed to make your life simpler, so don't worry if this is your first time here. We'll guide you through every step. Now, under Payment, you'll notice a subsection titled Payment Tools. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on your Wise tag. The Wise tag is a unique identifier associated with your account, and it's a crucial element for receiving funds. It's almost like having your own digital address for receiving money. Quite handy, isn't it? Once you're there, you have a couple of options for sharing your Wise tag with others, which is necessary for them to send you money. The first and simplest way is to copy the link provided. This link is specifically tied to your Wise account, so make sure you handle it with care. To copy it, simply click on the link or the adjacent Copy button, which will copy it to your clipboard. You can then paste it into an email, chat message, or wherever you need to share it. This way, the person sending you money simply clicks on the link and follows the instructions to transfer funds directly to you via Wise. Alternatively, if you prefer a more customized touch, you can download your Wise tag. By doing so, you have a file that you can save to your device and then distribute in a manner that suits your needs. To download your Wise tag, look for the download option near your Wise tag and save the file to your desired location. This is great for those who might want to attach it to formal communications or just for keeping a personal record. Sharing your Wise tag through either method allows friends, family, or business associates to send you money with ease. It's really one of the most straightforward methods for receiving funds, especially when dealing with international transactions. By having your Wise tag ready to share, you're always prepared to receive payments quickly and securely. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can ensure that money sent to you arrives smoothly and efficiently, leveraging the power of Wise. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out other guides on using Wise to its fullest potential.